I'm making soft cooked eggs for breakfast, one of my favorite ways. I bet it's not the most common way that you make eggs at home, but it's super easy. So let me show you how. I love these fresh eggs I'm getting from my friend Jolene at work. These small little Bantam chicken eggs. But for this, we want 2 large size eggs. All right. I just placed our eggs in a sauce pot and covered them with cold water. I'm gonna put them on the stove to boil. Once they come to a boil, I'm gonna cover the pot and take it off the heat. Let them sit for 3 minutes if you like a yolk that's nice and runny, or if you're like me and you like your yolk a little bit gel, leave it for 3.5 minutes. Okay, just to cool them off, I'm gonna stick our eggs in a little ice bath for just about a minute or so they're easy to handle. We'll also stop the cooking process. Now, if we talk about special equipment, I have egg cups, which I love, but if you don't have egg cups, you can actually make a nice holder for your egg with a small ramekin and just a little bit of rice. And when we're placing our eggs in our cups or in the rice, you want to look for the wider end, which has a little air pocket in the top. That's the end that you want to have placed upwards. Okay, I'm so excited to dig in. The only other requirement that I think is needed is a little bit of salt. And for this, I like either flaky kosher salt or I really love just a pinch of Maldon salt. So let's go ahead and crack in. All right, with a small spoon, just gonna give a little whack to the top, and we're just gonna peel back the uppermost part. It's still warm and delicious. Looks so good. I just open up enough that I can get my spoon in there, and then from there I'm gonna dig out so we can get down to the yolk. Oh yeah, it's beautiful, still really nice and liquidy, just a pinch of flaky salt. And then I love to just drive that salt down in. Oh, so good. I hope you try making soft cooked eggs for breakfast, and I hope you enjoy. So good.